Morning folks, another day for all fencing, out in the hills again. Beautiful day once that fog lifts. Starting left here now. Bit slippery up there. These mud tyres are shit. As soon as they see mud, mate, they start sliding. Alright, we'll give that a shot and see what happens. Right, here we are at Tarabandra again. I'm going to pull this fence down and we're going to put a new one up. Big Jim's getting everything ready. Let's see how we go for the day anyway. We're rolling out the barrel. Alright, the line's just about done. Right, this is a big rock section here, so we're going to use the air hammer to knock these in. Hits a bit harder, so it's going to be good. Probably can't see it, but there's all rock down through there. Right, now we run the plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 holes up. Right, they're getting ready to strain now. We're going to have a top wire, then another barb to go. We've got one more run of barb to go, and then we're going to put the hinge joint on. It's a nice little fence. We're using Waratah high tensile blue wire. It seems to be strong. Bush ranger style. Right, now we're going to run the hinge joint out, Bushman style. Gravity's good sometimes. That's how it's done. Right, now we're going to strain this hinge joint up now. It's going to look nice once it's all done. Now this is down the bottom of the saddle, so we've got an anchor here, and we just loosely tied the hinge joint down the top and bottom wire. That way when we strain it, it doesn't twist. I've done it up here as well. Like every 6 to 7 metres. It's just top and bottom. And then I just go top all the way to the end. And that's over there. Now Jim's going to strain that up. Now we strain that. I'll go and lift it up, make sure it's not hooked up on anything. There we are, back in the turbo Triton. Alright, now we're going to use some clips. We normally use the Waratah long life clips. Put that bastard in there. Right, that's the finished product. Nice strong fence. Tight. Waratah.